हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम। होर की हाल चाल आ फ्रेंड्स, अपना पहला वीडियो सीगा एंशियंट इंडियन हिस्टरी दे उत्ते वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम। फ्रेंड्स, जिमें कि तुसी जानते हो अपने एंशियंट इंडियन हिस्टरी ते पहला वीडियो सीगा वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन ते। अज दा ये अपना वीडियो हैगा लेटर वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन एंड एडवेंट ऑफ मौर्यन अंपायर ऑन इंडियन लैंड। फ्रेंड्स, ड्यूरिंग लेटर Vedic period, approximately near 500 BC, it is known as the later Vedic age. In this age, the tribes, the main tribes of India, Koshi, Kosana, Magda, Kosala, Anga, they developed, and these tribes started expansion towards the river Ganga, towards the area near river Ganga. So Anga was developed in eastern UP. There was a struggle for supremacy during later Vedic period in the ancient Indian history. The concept of state was emerged. The king was the government. The most important tribe was ruling Magda, Magad, you can say, and the concept of kingship originated, and the theory of the origin of divine origin of kingship was present, and later on monarchy was established on Indian land. The term Ikrat in Atharva Veda means paramount sovereign, paramount sovereignty, you can say. So the Magda tribe established its rule, and the capital of this was Pataliputra. And monarchy and the concept of kingship was developed during this time. And approximately during 321 BC and 322 BC, a very powerful empire was established on Indian land, which is known as the Mauryan Empire. This Mauryan Empire was established by Chandragupta Maurya. He expanded the power towards the West India, the South India, the East India, you can say. He overthrown the Nanda dynasty, which was rulers of Magda, and established Mauryan Empire after dethroning the Nanda dynasty. With the help of Chanakya, no doubt. The story is this, that Chanakya, he went to Pataliputra and he was insulted by the king of the Nanda dynasty. And Chanakya, whose real name was Vishnugupta, he took oath that he will destroy the Nanda kingdom. And later on, Chanakya met Chandragupta Maurya. Chanakya really liked Chandragupta Maurya and his bravery, his skill, his war affairs. So he encouraged Chandragupta Maurya to establish his empire, overthrowing the Nanda dynasty. So Magda was ruled by Nanda dynasty. The king was Tana Nanda. And when Chanakya, Vishnugupta encouraged Chandragupta Maurya organized an army of young people, and he attacked Magda. The generals of the Magda dynasty were corrupt, greedy. You understand, this corruption was started during the later Vedic period on Indian land. They bribed the journals of Nanda dynasty. And slowly problems started emerging in Patliputra and the rule and the area of Nanda dynasty, you can say. And the king Dhanananda was unable to control this anarchy in the kingdom. He resigned and exiled. So you see the corruption. Chandragupta Maurya, with the help of Chanakya, bribed the corrupt journals, greedy journals of Nanda dynasty, and there was a problem in the kingdom of Nanda dynasty, and the king Dhanananda resigned and exiled, and Chandragupta Maurya approximately in 321 or 322 BC established the Mauryan Empire, the one of the biggest empire in the world, at Magadha. The capital of this was Patliputra. And Chandragupta Maurya is the founder of Mauryan Empire in India. He was born in 340 BC at Patliputra. His kingdom remained from approximately 322 BC to 297 BC before Christ. After his death, his son Bindusara ruled the Mauryan Empire. He ruled from 297 BC to 273 BC. The father of Chandragupta Maurya was Sarvata Siddhi Maurya, and his mother was Mura Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was so great emperor that he expanded the boundary of Mauryan Empire up to the boundaries of Persia. You imagine. In 305 BC, he defeated Seleucus I, Necator, who was a Greek warrior. He defeated in 305 BC. Chandragupta Maurya expanded and consolidated the Mauryan Empire. He was so great that the Mauryan Empire was the biggest empire in the world. Chandragupta Maurya, till his death, continued expansion of Mauryan Empire. Chandragupta Maurya died approximately in 297 BC, and he was succeeded by his son Bindusara. Bindusara ruled from 297 BC to 273 BC. And Ashoka, the great Ashoka, was the son of Bindusara. And Ashoka ruled from 268 BC to 232 BC. So, during later Vedic period, these tribes, main tribes, emerged on the Indian land like Kosi, Kosala, Magadha. And there was a struggle for supremacy. And from this struggle, the Magadha tribe emerged, and a Nanda kingdom was established on the land of Magad, and Dhanananda was the king who was overthrown by Chandragupta Maurya with the help of Chanakya. The real name of Chanakya was Vishnugupta, who wrote Arthashastra. And Chandragupta Maurya established the Mauryan Empire approximately in 321 BC to 322 BC, and it was the one of the biggest empire in the world. And Chandragupta Maurya ruled from 322 BC to 297 BC. He consolidated the Mauryan Empire and expanded the Mauryan Empire. So this was the later Vedic age and the advent or emergence of Mauryan Empire on Indian land. ठीक है friends, I end up here with a later Vedic period and the advent of or emergence of Mauryan Empire on Indian land. मिलांगे next video ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ we will discuss Ashoka, which is very important for Mauryan Empire. फ्रेंड्स वीडियो ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਿਓ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ YouTube ਤੇ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ, ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ, ਮੈਨੂੰ Instagram ਤੇ professor_ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ। ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਤੇ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਫਰੈਂਡ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ।